Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in recent years, but a new generation of AI tools is raising the bar to new heights. One of the most exciting and equally disturbing developments comes from a company called Sesame AI. This breakthrough introduces a new era in artificial voice models, highly realistic and eerily authentic personalities that seem almost too human for comfort. In today's digital age, AI is not just becoming a tool, it's beginning to resemble the kind of companion many once only imagined in science fiction. Let's dive deep into the world of these cutting-edge AI tools and explore the future they promise, as well as the very real risks they bring. AI voice models, the conversation of the future. Just a few years ago, the idea of a machine being able to converse with a human on a personal level seemed like the stuff of dreams or nightmares. But thanks to advancements in AI, this dream is becoming a reality. Imagine this: you're spending an hour talking to a machine, and it feels just like you're chatting with a real person. You find yourself so wrapped up in the conversation that you forget you're speaking with an AI. Sounds like the plot of a futuristic movie, right? Well, that's the world we live in now. Sesame AI has unveiled voice models that blur the lines between human and machine interaction. These aren't your typical robotic voices that make you cringe. These voices, Maya and Miles, are designed to adjust in tone, timing, and style depending on the context of the conversation. Whether it's casual banter, serious dialogue, or even playful debates, these AIs adapt in a way that feels completely natural. The voices interrupt, pause, and react in real time, all with minimal latency. This is not just a conversation, it's an experience. Sesame AI, the Uncanny Valley Revisited. We've all heard of the Uncanny Valley, that creepy sensation you get when something looks or behaves almost, but not quite human. For years, we've been trying to perfect AI to avoid this eeriness. However, Sesame AI has taken us right back into the heart of the Uncanny Valley, but in a way that's somehow comforting rather than terrifying. Their breakthrough conversational speech model is capable of making the voice sound so real that it can pull at your emotions, even making you forget you're talking to a machine. While it might sound unsettling, there's a certain brilliance to it. The voices generated by Sesame AI come from a combination of semantic and acoustic tokens, making them incredibly nuanced. Semantic tokens capture the meaning and rhythm of what's being said, while acoustic tokens capture the unique tone and timbre of the voice. The result is a voice that doesn't just repeat words, it speaks with an emotional undertone that aligns with the situation at hand. This technology has taken the AI conversation to a level of realism that feels almost too close for comfort. Manny's, China's AI game changer. While Sesame AI is making waves with its voice technology, another AI tool from China is creating quite the stir. Meet Manus, a Chinese AI model that is taking AI capabilities to new heights. Inspired by the Latin word for hand, Manus is designed to be the ultimate AI assistant, capable of performing nearly any task you can imagine on a computer. Whether it's browsing the web, executing complex code, or conducting deep research in parallel, Manus is able to do it all, and do it efficiently. But here's where things get interesting. Despite its impressive technical capabilities, Manus doesn't exactly pass the vibe test with many internet users. It's almost as if this AI model is so good, people are a little uncomfortable with how well it works. There's also the looming concern about the business side of things. OpenAI, another prominent player in the AI field, now wants to charge $20,000 a month for their advanced AI models, making it an exclusive club only accessible to the wealthiest players in the tech industry. In comparison, Manus represents a new wave of AI that's pushing boundaries and perhaps creating a whole new set of problems. The dark side of AI, jailbreaking and dangerous possibilities. While the potential of AI tools like Sesame Voice and Manus is undeniable, the rapid growth and accessibility of these technologies come with their own set of risks. One of the most concerning aspects of these systems is the ability for users to jailbreak or hack them into performing functions that were never intended. This has become a worrying trend, particularly for tools like Sesame AI, which have been used to create content that pushes ethical boundaries. Although it might be amusing to some to trick an AI into performing strange or controversial actions, the implications are far from harmless. With AI becoming more human-like in its responses, the potential for misuse grows exponentially. What was once a simple tool for productivity is quickly turning into a source of digital rebellion, where the line between ethical and unethical use is becoming increasingly blurred. This poses serious questions about how we should regulate these technologies to prevent them from being used irresponsibly. The future of AI, from voice models to humanoid robots. While we may currently be marveling at the capabilities of AI voice models, the future promises even more exciting and terrifying developments. Looking ahead, we're not just talking about AIs that can talk and perform tasks. We're talking about full-fledged humanoid robots with artificial intelligence capable of performing physical tasks, holding conversations, and perhaps even developing relationships. One such project, Protalone, is working on creating the world's first bipedal muscular androids. These robots, which would look and move like humans, could become a permanent fixture in our homes, handling chores, running errands, and assisting with daily tasks. In fact, these robots might one day even work together to complete tasks, blurring the line between human and machine even further. And who knows, maybe these robots will even fall in love with each other. Tinder for robots? Now that's a concept for the future. The technology behind the magic, how AI voices are created. So how exactly do these AI voices work? Sesame AI's technology relies on a complex process involving semantic tokens, acoustic tokens, and a combination of transformer models. The process begins by generating semantic tokens, which capture the meaning and rhythm of the words being spoken. From there, the AI generates the voice's tone and timbre using acoustic tokens. These tokens are created using residual vector quantization, a technique that essentially breaks down sound into layers to ensure each voice comes out with incredibly rich detail. The two transformer models involved in this process serve different purposes. The first transformer predicts the initial codebook, while the second one acts as an audio decoder, predicting the remaining audio details and reconstructing them into high-quality speech. Although the technicalities might sound complicated, the end result is a voice that feels more human than machine, providing a seamless conversational experience. Why open source AI is so important. One of the most significant aspects of Sesame AI's breakthrough is the fact that its research is freely available to the public. While the model itself isn't open source just yet, the team behind it plans to release it under the Apache 2.0 license, allowing developers and researchers to build on this technology. Open source AI is a crucial step in ensuring that AI development is democratized and not controlled by just a handful of corporations or governments. As the world of AI continues to evolve, open source projects like Sesame AI can help foster collaboration and innovation. By making the core research accessible, developers can experiment with and improve upon these technologies, leading to even more groundbreaking developments. Of course, the release of this technology also means that some of the darker side of AI development will also become more accessible, raising concerns about how these systems might be used for harm. The collision of AI technologies is the next step in evolution. As we move forward, we're on the cusp of witnessing a collision between different kinds of AI technologies. While conversational models like Sesame Voice are becoming more lifelike, they will eventually intersect with vision and action models like Helix, developed by Figure. These models are being designed to work in tandem with humanoid robots, who will one day take care of everything from your house chores to your deepest desires. Well, there you have it, the future of AI, and honestly, it's a little like dating a robot, thrilling, confusing, and maybe just a bit scary. If you're not already questioning your digital relationships, maybe it's time to start. Don't forget to hit that like button before the robots take over and make you do it. And of course, subscribe for more mind-bending tech content. You won't want to miss what's coming next, unless the robots already know.